Hey guys, I'm finally trying to fix me. I mean, tornado warning. Tornado warning. Why did I say that again? Right here.
Tornado warning for northwestern Camden County, in southern New Jersey, north central Gloucester County, in southern New Jersey, west central Burlington County, in southern New Jersey, south central Philadelphia County, in southeastern Pennsylvania.
There's more in the background.
Until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a tornado-producing storm was located over Mulligataway, or 11 miles southwest of Gloucester City.
National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following counties or areas:
Radar confirmed tornado.
Burlington,
Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without
Tennessee,
shelter.
NJ,
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
in Philadelphia,
Tree
PA at
damages likely.
6:22 p.m. on
Locations
September
impacted
1st,
include
2021,
Philadelphia,
affected until
Camden, Gloucester City,
until
Cherry Hill,
2:52
Mount Laurel,
p.m.
Deptford,
Message from the
West Deptford, Glassboro, Linden, Wealth, Belmar, Woodbury, Pittman, Palmyra, Magnolia, Westville, Woodbury Heights, National Park, Brook Lawn, Audubon Park, and Barclay Keysing. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 3 and 4, Interstate